Namaste one and all. This is the first chapter of Physics, second PUC. So the name of the chapter is Electric Charges and Fields. So the contents of this chapter are Introduction, Electric Charges, Conductor and Insulators, Charging by Induction, Basic Properties of Electric Charge, Coulomb's Law, Forces between multiple charges, Electric field lines, electric flux, electric dipole in a uniform external field, continuous charge distribution, Gauss law, application of Gauss law. So let us start with the introduction. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while we rub shoes with carpet and when we try to touch the door knob which is made up of iron. So do we know the reason? So the reason for this experience is discharge of electric charges through our body which were accumulated due to rubbing with the insulating materials. This is also known as static electricity. So this is precisely the topic which we will be studying in this chapter. So the word static means anything that does not move or change with time. So let us look at what actually happens here. So here the person, when he starts rubbing the shoes, you can observe here the electrons from the insulating material are being transferred to the body of the human. So when he rubs his shoes, there is a friction between his shoes and the insulating material. So the electrons from the insulating material is accumulated into the human body. So now whenever there is a path established with the human body with respect to other conductor, so there is a path for flow of electrons. So now let us consider he touches the knob of the door which is made up of iron with his hand. So the moment he touches the knob of the door, there is a path created for the flow of electrons. So look over here. So whenever he brings his hand near the knob, the electrons will jump into that knob because the path is being created. So that creates the crackling sound. So now all the electrons which were accumulated on his body are being transferred into the knob of the door. Now if he tries to touch the door, there is no discharge because all the collected electrons are being discharged. Now again if he rubs his shoe, again the electrons are accumulated in his body. Whenever he tries to touch the knob, that creates the path for discharge of electrons. So this is discharging of electrons. So again so this is how the charging and discharging takes place. So I hope you have understood this concept. So this we call this as electrostatics. So it deals with the study of forces, field and potential which arises from static charges. I hope this has created some curiosity among you to look how all these phenomena takes place. So we'll be looking at this in the upcoming videos. So in the upcoming video, we'll be learning right from the basic, what is charge, what are the properties of charges, does that create a force or does it create a field or potential, all those will be dealt in the next chapter. So along with that, we'll also be looking into the problems. So right now, I will end this video and we'll be continuing this in the next video. So thank you for watching.